Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I'm very excited to share with you this 2013 Audi Allroad Premium Plus. At the time of this video, this vehicle only has 75,000 miles on it, and it's really in exceptional condition, which we're going to go over in this video. This Audi is for sale at the date of this video posting here at AlphaCars. You can view the availability and the pricing on our website, alphacars.com. You're just one click away from that information. The link is at the top of the description below. We also offer vehicle transportation, so do keep that in mind as well. With all that being said, let's get into the video. First, let's do an exterior walk around on the Allroad, and I'll talk about some of the nice options this car has. One of the most obvious ones is the body color matched fender flares. We can see all these fender flares in the adjacent inserts. They're all the body color. That's a very rare option to find on these Allroads, and people really go out of their way to find these. Usually they're like a dark gray color. So this whole insert in the lower rear bumper here, and then these fender flares, you can see they're all body color. The car looks super sharp, and this ice silver metallic color on its own is a paid option. This also has the Audi Advanced Key and the MMI Navigation Plus package on top of the Premium Plus trim that this car already is. We've done a lot of improvements on this car. Some of the common mechanical items these need, we've already taken care of. So you can really jump in this and just enjoy it. You'll save a lot of money up front with us having done already some of these things. And you can view the whole list of items and the value of them on our website on that listing I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Well, now that we've walked around the car a little bit, let's get up close and do a more thorough inspection. We can see the roof and the sunroof here are in excellent shape. Coming around to the front of the vehicle, the hood looks really nice. There is one spot that had the touch-up done. You can see right there with the factory color. And the front bumper has a couple imperfections here and there, but nothing major. Really just a little bit of the evidence of the highway use. Same thing with the headlights. Overall, they are very nice, but there is a little bit of the evidence of the weathered use. Now, as we go down the passenger side of the vehicle, you can really see how good of condition the paint is in. There's no like dings or scratching or anything like that. Now, as we go around the back of the Allroad, there is a couple light scuffs on the rear bumper, as you would expect. Being a super practical wagon, commonly you can load these up with a lot of goods in the back. There are a couple little scuffs here on the plastic fender flare. Now, going down the driver's side, once again you can see the paint condition is excellent. And this vehicle, it's a one-owner vehicle, and you could just tell they took really great care of it. Let's go over the wheels now. They are in nice condition. They have had a few touch-ups here and there, like on the edges, but you really have to kind of crouch down and view them how I am right now to see it. We are full disclosure here, which is why I'm mentioning these things. But like I said, they're really just some minor touch-ups on the wheel edges. This car rides ultra smooth, purely just some cosmetic touch-ups on the edge of the wheels. And lastly, we're gonna disclose a couple more items. The rear window, even though it looks perfect really in this video, it has some light scuffing on it from when there was like a worn out rear wiper. The wiper is brand new, we did do that. But I just wanna say in the right lighting, like I would really have to tell you about it like I am right now, there's the minor scuffing in the rear window. And the windshield does have a blemish in it, just right here. I just want to show that the windshield does have that blemish. And now with the exterior covered, one-touch operation, and the hatch opens right up here. This car does have the privacy cover still installed. That's easy to remove, especially if you want to fold the seats down and get all the room you're able. There is the factory mats here, which overall are in pretty good condition. A little bit of light wear on a couple of them. This one has an imperfection right there. But that's what the mats are for. They're to protect the factory vehicle carpet, and the mats are cheap to replace. The vehicle carpet is not. But you can see in the rear of the vehicle here, It's in very good condition. Got the spare tire here. There's a wheel lock set down there. That's what that looks like. And there is some of the factory roadside items under there. And this has a little compartment here, which you pop up. And it's got some of your roadside items there as well. So we'll just pop that back in and put that back right there. And then one touch operation. And this comes right back down. And that latches nicely. Now looking in the rear of the Allroad, real nice black interior with the stainless steel inserts there. You can see the headliner is in great shape, nice light headliner. And you can see the shade for the sunroof there, which we will exercise when we get in the front of the vehicle. But you can see the seating surfaces back here as we make our way to the rear passenger side. All the seating surfaces are excellent. Everything's looking great, as well as the carpets back here. And here's this door card. This car is very corrosion free. As you can see in all of the door jambs, things are very clean and orderly. Even look at the inside of the fender there, and you can see there's no wrench marks on the Torx bolt there for the fender. Also a testament to the originality of this car. Passenger seat is in nice shape. Got the protective plastic in there. The soft open works nice on the glove box, and there's some media input cable here and some of the factory items in there. You can see the dashboard condition looks great, as well as the center console. Now I'm going to get in the driver's seat and we'll start it up. First though, before I get in the driver's seat, just want to show you it's in excellent condition. Only some very minor evidence of just it being exercised, getting in and out, but there's no like wear or tear or anything like that. And it's in really nice shape. Same thing with the driver's door card. We've got the memory seat settings there. The mirrors do have a heated setting and a setting to fold them in as well. Now getting in, you can see there's 75,414. Starts right up. And as the MMI boots up there for a second, we can go media input, radio, even navigation. That takes a sec to load up here. Back to the car, we can go to servicing and checks and service intervals. And we can see very good there for the oil service. Everything's just in really nice condition overall, very clean, no like weird staining or smells or anything like that. And center console there. The engine start stop button, it's a very common thing on these. A little bit of the finish is missing in some of the letters, so I just want to disclose that. Now, as I mentioned, using these controls, one touch operation there, we can get the sunshade open. And then I will open the sunroof just to show you it all works great. No matter how nice the vehicle is, just always check some of the major functions and things. And now we're closing the sunroof and putting the shade up. You can see all that works nice, and there's no blemishes in the shade or anything like that. And we can go back to the navigation here, and we can see it's nice and accurate with where we are. This car is automatic climate control, dual zone, also has the heated seats. And yeah, let's check out the steering wheel condition. And then we'll wrap up the video by checking out under the hood. And steering wheel condition looks great. Now we'll pop the hood. And these have the pneumatic struts. So with one hand, you can open it right up and it stays up there. And you can just see very quiet running, very healthy sounding. You can see coolant's nice and clean at the proper level. And once again, those bolts for the fenders have no wrench marks on them. Same thing as the hood nuts over here. And you can see all the factory stickers on the hood as well. So now that we've covered this Allroad in its entirety, I want to thank you for watching this video. Do leave a like on it if it was helpful. And if you are interested in this wagon, be sure to reach out to us via the contact information on the screen. You can also click through to the listing, learn all about this car, which I recommend doing before you reach out so you're fully informed, and then contact us via the form on the listing. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Be sure to subscribe so then you don't miss out on the future motoring content.